Welcome back to Explore Park City Living. If you've been hunting for that needle in a haystack Park City home, this is it. Walkable to the lifts, brand new construction, floor to ceiling windows line the living and dining room areas, as well as this upstairs office room, which is my favorite room in the house. The primary suite is an experience. Postcard views from the bed, soaking tub with steam in the background, a triple head waterfall shower, and a laundry equipped walk-in closet. Oh, and your own 800 square foot rooftop deck with a hot tub for those snowy nights under the stars, after skiing, where you can look back up at the terrain that you just skied down. It gets even better with a fully equipped gym, steam room, and a Himalayan salt wall sauna. And what's great about this is there's no HOA fees. If you want to entertain, the sunken theater room has 15-foot ceilings and is ready for movie nights or game day hangouts. And for the skiers, a custom ski room with boot dryers and waxing station means you're prepped and ready for that 5-minute walk just to the Silver Star lift. The 3-car garage is oversized with ceilings for toys, racks, even a lift setup. If you're into cars like me, I'd love this garage. Throw a lift in a third. This place is move-in ready. The home doesn't tick just boxes. It redefines what Park City home looks like. If you want to experience it in person, reach out, because this won't last long. Being this close to Park City and having a view like that with a meadow, you know nothing's going to be built across the street. This location is amazing. If you're buying or selling or investing in Park City, I'd love to be your guide. I help people every week find homes that match their lifestyle. Call or text me directly, 801-837-4445. And thank you, Pat, the listing agent, for letting us come through here.